So there's definitely been a lot of changes. The first change that you might see is that there's another button, and that is going to be the save button. But I haven't sprited it yet, so it's just this like no sprite button. Now the second change you're going to see is that there is a title now, and that isn't actually on purpose. That's because I had to do the entire main menu and the start of the tutorial that I had because it all got deleted, and I don't know how that happened, and I was very sad when that happened. Um, but it's all okay now. So now we go in. So now going into the save menu, um, there's just some buttons. There's like the auto save and stuff that you can turn on and off. You can save and then you can delete your save. Probably gonna add more saves later. Alright, I'm back. So coming into the game now, we can see that there is actually a tutorial. Now, the text isn't exactly the best. There's still tons of typos, and I'm gonna redo the text for the entire tutorial later. But for now, this is fine for now. Um, so it's just gonna tell you some like basic stuff, and it's gonna tell me to go into a battle. So die, 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 die. I showed this part last time in my last devlog. Coming out of battle, it's gonna say, well done. Just gonna give you a little more stuff. It's gonna tell you to go into the upgrade menu. So we'll do that. This is the elemental upgrades for my game. It's what makes the game actually interesting. I'll do a bunch of devlogs on those. And then I'll tell you to come out and go to the space station. Which I do here. And currently there's only one item, which is these little EVA repair robots. And you buy them, and then when you don't have enough money, they shoot out. I think it's fun. And then space to continue, and then the tutorial ends. And that's pretty much all I added for this devlog. But hopefully I'll come to you in maybe another week with another video.